So this is not a high priority, but I plan on redoing this table. Picked it up about 10 years ago, and I knew it needed work. It needs quite a bit of work on it. We have the material on the side coming loose, and that's all the way down through here. I do like it that it's one goalie. And I didn't like the handles. They were those big rubber ones, or plastic, short, big diameter. And I'm going to put wooden on here, but I was looking at this. There's not enough room here to put the wooden handles on. So I was thinking that doesn't make sense. And after looking at it, if you look at the distance here, right here, and now look at the distance over here, this rod was put in backwards. So I could flip it around and put the handle on here. And that's the case with the other three men. Now the two men, well actually, yeah, the two men is worse. Look at the distance there. And if you come over here, look at the distance there. So again, that needs to be flipped. I think the goalie, let's see, or actually, I'm sorry, these are right, because this is the side the handles go on. So we have that much distance and that much distance. We're good. And we'll flip this rod around. We're good here. That rod's incorrect because the handle will go on the other side. Now this is the one that needs to be flipped. Oh no, maybe this one's okay. Yeah. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is not okay. Yeah, this needs to be flipped because the handle needs to go here. And then these guys are okay on the other side. So it's really just the three men. Three men, the rod needs to be flipped. I was also doing a little comparison here. I'm not going to change these, most likely I'll leave them, these men. But I was just looking at the difference between the tornado men and the men that are on this table. And you can see these are a little bit wider. They definitely are. They come up much higher. The shape is very different too. You have this versus this. So those are the biggest differences. I do have some design ideas for this table. But the first thing is I'm going to take the rods off and start drilling them and putting the wooden handles on. And then from there I'll move on to the next step. Okay, should be an interesting one.